HOA solar panel laws are empowering homeowners in the Southeast. Recent legislative changes in Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia are reshaping how homeowners can adopt solar power in HOA-managed communities. In Virginia, the Solar Freedom Act, 2020, prevents HOAs from banning solar installations. Virginia homeowners report significant energy bill savings by going solar. In North Carolina, a 2022 Supreme Court ruling states that HOAs can't ban solar panels or restrict effective placement. This ruling has led to a growing awareness of solar benefits among North Carolina homeowners. In South Carolina, no specific laws protect solar rights from HOA restrictions yet. However, Senate Bill S-0422 is under consideration to protect homeowners' solar rights. In Georgia, the Solar Power Free Market Financing Act, 2015, facilitates solar financing. In addition, proposed legislation may soon limit HOA power over solar installations in Georgia. These changes are leading to increased solar adoption, lower energy costs, and higher property values across the Southeast. Need help navigating HOA solar panel laws? Contact a Firefly Solar Energy Advisor today for expert guidance and support in your solar journey.